Hello guys, welcome to Essential BI. Today we will discuss about how to import data from Excel file to SQL Server. So this is the SSIS environment. With the help of this SSIS environment, we can create a packages and we will import data from Excel file to SQL Server. So we have to take here Excel data source because my data is existing in Excel format, so I have to take Excel. So once I will double click on Excel source, then it will display this window. So once I will create a new button, then click on a new, then it will ask for the file path. So I have to browse the file and just open. So now I have created a connection manager here. So what I need to do, I need to connect with my sheet. So it will ask the sheet name. So I have connected with the sheet 1. So if I want to preview the data, so I can just click on a preview button. So it will display the column name, how many columns are coming from the Excel file and how many columns are going to SQL Server. So I'm going to just close this because all the columns are going to SQL Server which are existing in Excel file. So I'm just clicking OK here. Now I will select a OLEDB destination because we are just inserting data into a SQL Server. So we have to take OLEDB destination. So we have to just create a relationship. So if you can see OLEDB connection manager, so this connection is already existing because we have already created that connection. So now we are going to create a table in which we want to insert the data from Excel file. So here I have to given a table name. So I am going to give a table name client underscore item. So once I will click on OK, then it will create a table in a particular database. So now coming on the mapping part. So mapping is like just need to double check that all the input columns are similar to the all the destination column. So that is nothing. Just so now run that package. So now package is running now. So now what we have to do, we have to just check the table is created or not. So what we have to do, just click select asterisk from table name is client item, right? Client CLIENT underscore ITEM. So you can see here the data is coming. All the data in if we can see in our Excel document. So there are 95 rows in Excel document, and if you can check, then there are 95 rows in also in our SQL file. So I'm going to open that booking file that all the columns and all the rows are similar to the SQL file. So there are 95 rows here. So I'm going to close this. So that is the method to import data from Excel file to SQL Server. So you can just implement that method into your office work. So, and thanks for watching my video.